My name is Daniela Cepeda, and in this video I want to show you a little bit of who I am as a person and also as a professional. I'm in my last semester of social communication and journalism at the University of La Sabana. My studies are focused on organizational communications and cultural journalism. Besides that, I'm very passionate about marketing, so I have a certification in ICT management for communication and digital marketing. Currently, I'm working in the communications and marketing department of this Dutch foundation called Funnyveld as a part of my social practice. The things that make me happier in the world is spending time with my family. We actually love to cook. Also, I like to spend time with my friends. I think I can spend hours talking to them about everything. Alongside those things, I love hearing music, all type of genre. I'm always reading. I'm the type of person that will always tell you the last news and interesting facts about things. And also, I like to read any type of novels. One of my favorite plans ever is to go to the cinema or watch movies or series at home. For me, cinematography is definitely an art. Now that you know some personal things about me, I would like to show you who I am as a professional. Throughout my professional training, I had the opportunity to work with several companies, some directly and some by simulation. Help them create communications and marketing plans, crisis plans, brand creation and launches, industry and audience diagnosis. The virtues that stand out in me are the sense of responsibility, autonomy, and leadership, as well as attention for detail and attention to results. I do not like to do things by half. I always give 100% of myself in everything I do. I'm always willing to help and also to learn from others. I want to talk about two projects that I made and I'm really proud of. The first one was on a challenge that our professor gave us in my class of management of intangible. He gave us a simple egg and we needed to make a whole brand only based on this. What my team and I created was Jolky Beauty, a sustainable company that sells hair products based on egg. What made our company sustainable was the zero waste and less environmental impact ideas. We used all of the egg. The yolk and the egg white were used in the product, and we made a plastic with the eggshell for the packagings. Also, the colors of the brands were neutrals and light green and light yellow, due to the less need of chemicals to their production. For the launch of the brand, we created a whole marketing strategy. There was a massive event in which we planned the location, the decoration, food, activities, merchandising, guests, all around a simple idea that was sustainability and self-love that are really attached to the idea of Yolky Beauty. Another project I'm really proud of is the one I made for my certification in ICT management for communication and e-marketing. I worked directly with a small gym located in Chia called ASR. I started with a whole diagnosis, first about the fitness industry at national and international level, and then a diagnosis of the communications of the brand, internal and external. Then I made a comparison between the gym and their direct and indirect competition. Then, with all of that information, I made a general communications and marketing plan with a customer journey with the specific strategies and tactics for each phase, and examples of content and pieces for them to guide on how to implement the plan I made. Lastly, the other two things I want to say about myself. First is who I want to become as a professional in the future. I want to become a communication consultant specialized in marketing and advertising and with a master's degree in corporate and digital communication. Also, my purpose of becoming a professional in social communications and journalism is to be able to help different companies to achieve assertive communications in which they can connect with their audiences. Additionally, I want to guide them to get involved in the building of a better society throughout social and environmental awareness. The last thing I have to say is thank you for giving me this opportunity to tell you more about myself and try to be part of the digital talent of Whirlpool.